Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. If you're new, please click the subscribe button to get my frequent updates as I cover new stocks and top performing stocks of the day. Okay. Today was a late rally, as the article says. S&P futures are little changed, but a late day rally happened. So it was a decent day overall for a Monday. It was flat. So we take a look at the Robinhood. We've seen that it was up 3%, but pretty much for the early part of the day, it fell, and then late in the day, it took off. So after 12 today, it took off, and that was good news. But for the most part, we were flat. Amazon was one of the top performing stocks today, up 3%. Google was up 4%. CrowdStrike was up 4%. CMG, Chipotle Grill, was up 4.28%. Shopify is up 7.99%. Square or Block is up 4.52%. Even Facebook, Meta is even up 4.72 on the day. So it was a rally late in the day. In fact, it was so bad early in the day, I did sell some Tesla because I was just like not sure. But as you see, late in the day, stocks took off. That included Meta platforms, or Facebook as we know it now, took off 4 or 5%. And pretty much it was a flat day for the most part. You did see Apple got into action, 1.72%, a conservative measure. Now you see stocks like Roblox took off 13%. But again, Roblox is down for the year over 70%. So it's really, this is what we call a dead cat bounce, okay? Cause a dead cat bounce. As you can see, Roblox is down over 54% for the year. And on one day, they came out today and jumped up 14%. But what's 14%? So we you know, if you're long on Roblox, great. But only way you're making money in this stock market is puts and calls. Okay, so you're doing short-term calls or options on the day for Roblox. You know, pretty much there was a nice spread. You know, also if you're doing puts early in the day, I did post in my Facebook group. The short QQ spiked actually. If we go down to the short QQ early in the day, when the market opened, pretty much they were up 4%. And as the day crept on, the short QQ sold off. But early in the day, the short QQ was up. So for Tuesday, this is how bad the market opened. The UVXY was up 6.72%. The volatility was up high. The SPUX was up 5%, and the SQQ was up 4.11%. So early in the day, the VIX was high. The short Nasdaq was getting crushed. And then as the day went on, things picked up and settled out. You had SoFi up 7.39%. You had Twilio up 6%. You had Upstart up 8%. And you had Apple up 1.89%. So as the day went on, things did recover, but for the most part, it was a rough morning. Okay, like I said, the SQQ was up 4%, and the UVXY, the other volatility index fund, was up 6.76. See what else is going on in the news. Tesla's big growth goal will be a stretch. Now, we do know that Tesla had some shutdowns in Shanghai. So I mean, I'm not sure if they're going to make the numbers. Again, they will have earnings call around the end of July, and we'll find out the official numbers. So again, Tesla will be reporting the numbers by the end of the month. And also Bazinga mentions this the same as well. All right, well, that's the news. Soaring corporate tax, incredible vulnerability for Irish economy. And British Army says Twitter and YouTube accounts have been breached. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, and here's another article. Warren Buffett buys $9.9 million additional shares of Occidental Petroleum. So again, if you're a Berkshire Hathaway owner, that's a good sign. Warren Buffett, he's buying more Occidental Petroleum. Also, he owns it in his fund, his Berkshire A fund. But that's good news. That's a good indicator that Occidental Petroleum is in good position. Okay, so let's take a look at the other top stocks of the day. Again, this portfolio is up slightly, 1.66%. Tesla did turn it around today. It was up 2%. Okta was in second place, up 6%. SoFi is still stuck in the fives, but they were up 5%. And Twilio, another cloud company, was up 5.91%. So pretty much a late rally by technology companies. The companies that did take a hit were oil. If we take a look, COP was down today. Ford was down today. United Steel has been down over 5%. And AMT was slightly down. I'm probably going to sell some of my United States Steel just because commodities have fell out of favor. But I may buy some more COP, just add to my position. COP for the long term, ConocoPhillips. Let's see. I don't see anything I really else would buy. I mean, if you're interested in banks, Regis Financial trades in $18 and $20, and maybe Bank of America. Both of these banks, they do pay dividends, so they're a good opportunity. Also, AMT, of course, is a dividend REIT stock, a real estate trust. They pay a dividend as well. But X, I'll probably end up selling out of that position. I don't know if the Build Back Better program is going to go through, and pretty much this stock is up. Let's see, over the last 2 years, the stock has doubled. If you look at United Steel's chart, United Steel. So let's see here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so back in May of 2020, the stock was trading at $7. Today it's trading at $17. So I may just go ahead and sell out United Steel. A lot of commodities are getting hit. FCX, Freeport, McMoran, getting hit as the Fed hikes up in interest rates. Okay. Also, don't forget CPI data comes out on July 13th. So that's roughly about a week or so, July 13th. The inflation numbers, the CPI data will come out. So again, that is the news. Okay, so again, decent rally late in the day. Stocks did rally. One of the top stocks was Amazon, up 3% on the day. Again, a lot of it has to do with the Amazon cloud Amazon is doing a lot of new partnerships where people are signing up subscriptions with the cloud. So again, one of the top stocks today, Amazon up 3.60%. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get some free stock and get started in your trading or investing today, please use my Robinhood link below and have a great evening.